Hi everyone, it's Marina here and today I'm going to share with you a Valentine's project. We are going to learn how to make our own envelope flipbook where we can stick our boyfriend's or husband's photos and give him a very special gift for Valentine's Day. It's a super quick and easy flip book and it can hold big photos or a lot of small ones. The paper collection I used is absolutely lovely with glitter details and spot UV designs. I am going to be working with 123 punch board by We Are Memory Keepers. It's very practical and although it has measurements in centimeters, for this project I am gonna be working in inches. I do use two double-sided papers 12 by 12 inches and trim them a little bit, so at the end I'm gonna have an 11 and 7/8 by 11 and 7/8 of an inch paper. I'm gonna punch and score on 5 1/4 of an inch as the punch guide says. So the first thing you need to do is punch that down and that's going to cut actually the corners out. Then I am going to use the envelope score line A and I am going to score all the way down. Then I'm going to rotate my cardstock 90 degrees and I'm going to match up my score line with that first notch on the left hand side. Then you repeat the process until you've done all the corners. So match up your previous score line with that first notch and punch down again. Then I round the corners, but you can leave them as they are. I repeat the same process for the other cardstock. And then I burnish well with a bone folder. I am going to be using double-sided tape to finish off my envelope. I am going to score the envelope at 7 1/8 of an inch just to make a small gusset. Let's stick them together carefully. For the first type of flaps, I'm gonna be using 2 sheets of white cardstock 7.5 inches by 8 3/4 of an inch and score them on the short side at 1 inch. For the second type of flaps, I'm gonna be using 4 sheets 8 by 6.5 inches and score all of them on the 8 inches side at 1 inch. First, I'm gonna be sticking down the first type of flaps . And then, before I stick down the second type of flaps, I am trimming off the 2 corners a little bit. Instead of gluing the strip down, I'm choosing to go for a pocket, so I don't put glue in the whole strip. I repeat the same process on the other envelope. For the inserts, I do need two pieces 6.5 by 8.5 inches. Some tags for journaling I cut using my metal cutting dies. I hope it was an easy and simple tutorial to follow. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on my social media. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye!